Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Zanpa Cape and you could see the view. Really beautiful there today. And it's a lovely day. The blue sky. Wow, very amazing. Wow, very beautiful ocean. And now we see the amazing view on the ocean, and thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I hope you liked my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and please don't forget to comment me down below. And thanks and bye.